Er-Tostik. A long time ago on the Kazakh steppe, there was a man called Er who lived happily with his wife and 8 sons. There was a legend that one of their sons would grow up to become a hero that would destroy Bapi Khan, the lord of the underworld. When Bapi Khan heard this legend, he sent a terrible winter to the steppe, which killed a lot of animals and people. Er knew he had to send his sons away to find food for their livestock. As time went by and his sons did not return, Er and his wife became more and more hungry. One day, Er caught a horse and gave the brisket to his wife to eat. To their amazement, the old woman fell pregnant and they had a baby son, Er-Tostik. The boy grew up very fast and was soon a strong, handsome man. When he met a beautiful young woman called Kenjigen, they fell in love and got married. In the underworld, Bapi Khan realized that Er-Tostik was the hero of the legend. So he sent one of his servants to capture Er-Tostik's father, Er, and bring him to the underworld. When Er-Tostik discovered his father was gone, he immediately set off to rescue him. On the way, he met 3 giants. Each of them had a special power. One could shake mountains, one could move extremely fast, and the last one could drink up whole lakes. Together, they headed towards the underworld to save his father. When he reached the underworld, Er-Tostik faced many challenges, but with the help of his friends, he was able to rescue his father. Bapi Khan got very angry. He sent a dragon to eat the sun egg of the Samruk bird and bring the whole world into darkness. Er-Tostik and the giants fought with the dragon and won, bringing peace and happiness to the steppe.